Hey guys, so I was going to film my first impression on a lot of these products in the same video as showing you guys the products, but I realized the video was going to get really long. So I decided I would do an individual video just to show you guys what I got in my first PR box. And also I'm going to show you guys some other items that I picked up that I'm going to be doing a first impression on. And the first impression will air another day because I don't want this video to be extremely long. So this is going to be more of a PR haul unboxing. So if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Christina Brooke and this is the GLAMRANCH. I would love it if you guys like the channel enough to hit the subscribe button. And also guys, I do have a giveaway going on right now. The giveaway is going to be ending on July 8th. So you guys want to enter in the giveaway. You have to be a subscriber to win the giveaway. All the information how to enter will be in the description box. We're going to go over the first PR package that I got from a big brand. And I'm so excited that a big brand actually sent me something. So let's go ahead and let's get into it. Sigma Beauty actually reached out to me and they told me that they wanted to send me over some products for me to try, and I was kind of like besides myself, like, wait a minute, I am like a really small YouTuber. And to have a brand like Sigma, which you guys know I like Sigma. I use Sigma in almost all of my makeup tutorials. I have the E40. I have a bunch of Sigma brushes. And I was kind of like, yeah, what? You want to send me stuff? I was so excited. They said that they saw my Instagram and they also saw my YouTube channel. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, you should be. It's at the GLAMRANCH. Follow me now. You know, I was so excited because this is a brand that I really like, and I really like their products a lot. I didn't know too much about their makeup products, but definitely their brushes I was obsessed with. So definitely right when they reached out to me, I said, yeah, sure, you know. And then they also told me if I wanted to be an affiliate with them, I can offer you guys a 10% discount on products from Sigma Beauty. And I was like, yes, I would love to offer my viewers a 10% discount. So this is an affiliate link. So I do get a small commission if you guys purchase any of the products using my link, or using my code. But I was like, whatever. I personally, anytime I go to buy something online, and I know a lot of you guys are like me, I start searching for coupon codes because I don't like to buy anything full price online anymore because I know there's so many codes out there. So I said, I think my viewers would love to save 10%. And I definitely love Sigma so much and I love their brushes so much that I said, yeah, I would use it. So if you guys want to use my coupon code, it is GLAMRANCH. All you have to do is enter that in the checkout. And I also have a link down in the description box that'll take you straight over to there and you can just go through there. It's just giving me an opportunity to try out more stuff for you, because if I had to go and purchase this stuff myself, I probably would not have bought so much stuff just because money-wise you have to save in order to buy other stuff. So to have a brand send you a bunch of stuff, it's great because you're going to be able to try and use different things. So I can show you guys more stuff. So this is really exciting for me. I am super excited. So I'm going to go ahead and just jump into the box. I'm going to show you guys what they sent me because, guys, when I saw this box, of course I opened the box already. I wasn't gonna wait. Right when I saw this box got dropped off in my mailbox, I ran. I ran to the box because I was dying to see what was in it. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got, and actually I'm pretty excited because I got some really cool stuff. So they sent me over this right here. This is the Sigma Spa Express. This looks really cool, guys. This is something that you put on your sink like that so you can clean your brushes. I don't know if you guys seen how I clean my brushes, but I have like this little mitten type of thing that I put my hand in and I kind of like hold the brushes and clean it. This is so much more handy because this is like the same concept, only it's stuck on the actual sink. So I don't have to actually hold something in my hand and I can like go like this and use my other hand for other stuff. So I'm really excited to try this out. It seems very handy. I don't see how I'm not gonna like this product. The only thing that might happen, it might fall off my sink. I have no idea. You know what I'm thinking? Maybe I'll do an Insta story of this product. So you guys follow me on Instagram. It's at the GLAMRANCH, and I'll try to put this up so you guys can see how it works. And I'll also let you guys know in a future video my impression of how I think it works because this looks really exciting to me. I'm really excited to try that out. Then the next product is this Sigma Brush Shampoo. This got me really excited too, guys, because if you guys have seen any of my videos about brushes, about cleaning stuff for brushes, I hate almost 90% of the cleaning stuff that I buy for brushes because all of them smell. They have like this horrible odor. And when I read this, it says 100% liquid brush cleaner, but it's 100% natural. When I read that 100% natural, I was like, I'm interested. I'm very interested. So this is what it looks like. It looks just like this. It says Sigma and it's a beautiful packaging. This is a large bottle that they sent me, so I'm very appreciative of that. And it has no smell. It has It has no smell. Okay, so this has me really excited because I hate when, like, I've used other products that I've mentioned to you guys before that when you put them on, they smell like you're literally putting like acetone on your brushes, and you don't want to walk around or use things on your eyes that smell like so chemically. This doesn't smell at all, so that's really exciting to me. Okay, so the next thing that they sent me over is this 3D blender, and it looks like this. So I did use this already in my first impression, so you guys are going to see that airing after this video another day. And it looks just like this, and it has all four, like, it's kind of like very curved and stuff, so it has a lot of like sharp edges. So this is a contour wedge. When I tried it on originally in my first impression, you'll see that I wasn't really sure what to use it for, but I do mention that contour is probably a great thing for it. So yeah, that you guys will see in my first impression, but it does come in this huge packaging. You see that, and has this little tiny sponge in it, but the sponge is a nice size. It actually reminds me of the Beauty Blender size. So then the next thing that they sent over to me is this eyeshadow base primer. So it looks like this, and inside it's actually cool. It looks like it's kind of like a primer. I don't know what it is, to be honest. I think it's like I think this is like one of those sticks that look like shadows that I was telling you guys I was interested in looking at. You see, it has a really pretty color. You guys see that color? I'm very interested in this. This looks like it's going to be a nice little, it's a little bit shiny. It has a sheen to it. So this is definitely like an eyeshadow base. You could put this like on the bottom when you're putting on your eyeshadow, and I'm really excited to try this one out. I haven't tried this one. I didn't try it in my first impression, so we still have some more products to try now. So then this product here is another one they sent, Aurora powder. This is a blush that is a absolutely beautiful tone. Oh my gosh. So look at this packaging. Tell me that's not pretty. Oh my god, I think the Sigma packaging is so cute. And then there's the blush. Look at that color. Guys, I don't know if this is going to translate well, but this is a very similar color to the color in my Cali Contour, that same like blush color. It's a pretty flesh tone blush. You guys will see me trying this one in my first impression too. This is one of the products that I do try on camera. The next thing that I got, guys, they sent me brushes. I was so excited when I saw this. So they sent me over the F80 flat Kabuki, and I was thrilled. Okay, I already used this, duh. So it's dirty. I used this today to put on this makeup, but I am so thrilled about this brush. I was dying for a different Kabuki brush because I have the Morphe one, and I like the Morphe one, but one of the only complaints I've always had about it is a little bit stiff, but I like the way it applies my foundation. I've gotten so used to it that, you know, to try a new brush is going to be interesting, but I wanted this one from Sigma. This is one of the products that I almost bought. I put in a huge order of Sigma brushes once, and this is one of the brushes that I actually took out of my cart because I had a Morphe one, and I said, why am I going to have more than one? And I didn't get it, but I regretted it. I really wanted it. So now I have it. They sent it to me. They also sent me the E38 diffused crease brush. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to have this brush. You guys don't understand. I have the E40, I have the E25, I have a few, and I didn't have this one, and they sent me over one I didn't have, and I'm really excited because this is perfect for detailing, guys. And you know I love to detail, and I have a detail one now. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So then the next thing that they sent me over is, okay, so the gardeners are here, and Emmy's having a heart attack. So this looks like a highlighter brush. It's called the F56. I don't think I would ever use this for highlight. I need to figure out what I would use this for, to be honest. I haven't even tried this brush yet. I know I won't use it for highlight, but you guys hear the gardeners? Okay, so then the next thing that I got is this Sinuosity Lash from Sigma, and this is their mascara. I still don't know how to say that name. I should probably look it up, shouldn't I? Gosh, you know, I already filmed 2 of these videos, and I should probably look up how to say that name. But it is this beautiful mascara. You guys know I love mascara. I do not wear fake lashes. So look at this, how cool this applicator is. That is such a neat applicator. I love the shape to it because I think it'll work really good for your eyes. So I'm really excited. You guys will see me try this one on also in my first impression, and I like that. So then I got 2 more products sent over to me from Sigma, and this is the Shimmer cream, and this is more like a eyeshadow, like kind of like an eyeshadow, I guess, that you could put it on. And I think this is an eyeshadow. I don't know. I have to look up exactly what it is. I'm not sure if it's an eyeshadow or if it's a highlighter. I think it's an eyeshadow. I don't know. The texture of it, I'm not sure because it kind of feels very creamy, so I gotta look up exactly what this one is, and I have not tried this one on yet. So this one will be coming soon in a future video. And then the last product that they sent me is this liquid pen liner, guys. I put this on my hand the other day just to see like the pigment of it. This thing didn't come off, and I actually didn't put it on my first impression today. So look how pretty though, guys. Look at that pigment. This thing is so black. I'm actually really dying to try this product product on. I'm going to be trying this one on next because I think that this seems like it's going to be a very good liner. I love the pigmentation on it. I really like the way that it doesn't bleed. First impression wise, how I've tried it, just like swiping it on my hand, I think it's going to be a really good liner. I did not use this one in my first impression, but I'm going to be using it pretty soon. It's just, I don't know, I didn't want to put eyeliner on today because I just didn't think it was going to go with my look. It was going to be too much, so I didn't do it. And okay, so that is all the products that Sigma sent me over, guys. Can't you believe it? I am like so shocked that Sigma sent me those products. Like, you don't even know, like, I am a smaller YouTuber, and just to know that Sigma noticed me is amazing. And of course it's because of you guys too, and all your likes and sharing my videos and commenting on my videos and subscribing to my channel. You guys are also making this happen for me, so I'm really excited about that. I wanted to show you guys too some products that I picked up from Walmart that you guys are going to be seeing in my first impression. My eye look is created using this artist palette from Kokie, and this is a really cool palette, so you guys can see it looks just like this. And I picked this up because it reminds me a lot of the palettes that you guys are seeing now between the Lemonade collection and also some of the Violet Voss collection, like this pastel-y kind of colors. So I wanted to pick up something that is drugstore, something not as expensive, because sometimes I like to save with very trendy things like that. I also picked up this Kokie matte lipstick, and it is in the color 56 Sahara, and it looks really pretty. I just like the packaging a lot, so I really wanted to try it for you guys. I really like to add some color sometimes to my waterline just because it's the fun way to add color, and I just got this Kokie Bright Blue. Is it called Bright Blue? Bright Blue eyeliner. I'm really excited to try this on, and I'm going to be trying on all these products in my first impression for you guys, so you guys will see that coming. That's going to be coming pretty soon. I just got to edit that video so I can put it up for you guys. So that is all of the products that I got in my PR, and also the products that I purchased myself. You guys will be seeing a first impression of all of these products coming very, very soon. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you guys like videos like this one, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me your comments below. So thank you guys. So don't forget, when my face appears somewhere around down here, if you click on my face, you will subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.
Yes, I did.